In this lecture, we will see how to create practice exercise 26. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice template, then click here open, then go to here home, then go to here cylinder, click here, make it diameter 90, select here diameter 90, then press enter. Next we need to make height, make it height 60, go to here, make it 60, then press enter. Next we need to remove this location, this area we need to remove. For that, go to the line tool, click this quadrant, make a line like this. You can see here this gap 40 mm. Go to the offset, make it 20, then press enter. Select this one, offset this side, select this one, offset this side, and select this one, delete it. We need to make it up to here. You can see here 30 mm. From this location to this location 30 mm we need to make it. Go to here, go to the press tool, click here, make it -30, then press enter. Then select this one, delete it, go to the line tool again, click here, then place it like this. Next we need to make it this one, you can see here, this area, this one we need to make it. You can see here this radius 30, go to here, offset 30, then press enter. Select this one, offset this side, select this one, offset this side, then press escape key, go to here press pull, click here, make it up to here, click here, make it up to here. Similar way, click here, make it up to here. Press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make, we are here, we need to extend this one also. You can see here radius from this location to this radius 30. Go to here, go to the press tool, click here, make it a radius 30, press enter, select this one 30, then press enter. Now this one is ready. Next we need to remove some part. For that, just go to here solid, select here fillet edge, select here radius, make it 30, then press enter. Click here, press double enter, then go to this side, press enter, select this one, press double enter. Now this one is ready. Similar way we need to make it here also. Press enter, select this one, press double enter, go to this side, press enter, select this one, press double enter. Now this one is ready. Next we need to make it this bottom one, this one diameter 60. Go to here, make it like this, select here cylinder, go near to this, click here, make it diameter 60. Select here diameter 60, press enter. We need to make it a length, you can see here 40. Go to here, make it a 40, press enter. You can see when you make the 40, you will get it like this because Z direction is here. We need to make it opposite direction, or once you made, after that we can move this one. Just go to here, move command, click here, place it like this. We have z direction like this. If you need it this direction, we need to give value in minus, negative value. Next we need to make it this one, diameter 40. Just go to here, select here cylinder, then go near to this, click here, then go to the diameter, make it 40, then press enter. We need to make this height also. You can see here 30 mm. We need to make it minus 30, then press enter. You can see here. Then go to here union, select this all the thing, press enter. Now it is union. Next we need to make this hole. You can see here this one, that is radius 15. Just go to here, select here right. Now you will get it x and y like this. Then go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it 15, then press enter. Then go to here, go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it 15, then press enter. Then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this. Similar way, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Now this one is ready. Next we need to make it a fillet and chamfer. This is fillet, and here also we need to make it chamfer. First we will make a fillet, radius 5. Just go to here, go to the solid and select here fillet edge, go to the radius, make it 5, press enter, click here, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same command, double enter, then go to here, press enter, select this one and select this one, press double enter, then go to here, press enter, repeat the same, press double enter, it is ready. Next we need to make a chamfer edge. Just go to here, select here chamfer edge, select here distance. You can see here distance 3 mm. Go to here 3, press enter, 3, press enter, then select this edge, select here edge, then press double enter. Now it is ready. Next we need to arrange this one inside layout. Just go to the layout, select here layout, go to the base, select here from model space, click here, press enter, click here, and click here, press double enter. Now it is arranged. Press escape key, select this one, go to here edit, view, select here hidden, shaded with visible lines. We can change the hidden, go to the visibility, tangent we don't want, no, then press enter, it is ready. Select this text, go to the move command, make it like this, select this one, go to the move command again, slightly arrange this one, or you can select this grip, you can arrange it. Next you can create all the dimensions. Here don't have any big difference. You can make a linear dimension and radius. You can make changes in this. You can save the drawing and print the drawing.